Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I'm sharing a video every single day this month. For today's video, I'm sharing a doodle with me, and I'm going to be sharing step-by-step how to create your very own spooky, creepy tarot death card using Tombow products. This video is in collaboration with Tombow USA. I am on their design team, and I will leave a link to them down below for you guys to check out. But this project is not as difficult as it seems to draw, so let's go ahead and get started. To start, you want to trace around a 4x6 journaling card with a Tombow mono drawing pencil. Then trace around something circular, and this will be the start of our skull. On the bottom, sketch out a rectangular shape, and this will become the jaw of the skull. Go ahead and make some curvy lines, and that will become like the inside part of the jaw where the teeth will come out, and then erase where the circle and the rectangle overlap. Draw a nose hole and a couple of eye sockets, and that is pretty much the base of your skull. For my teeth, I decided to do little grave markers because I thought that would be extra fun since this is a death tarot card. And then on the inside of the eyes, well, the Death Tarot card is the 13th card in the tarot, so I thought that would be fun to put an X and then 3 eyes to make the Roman numerals of 13. And in the top corner, I added a moon and then a sun and a couple little stars, and that is kind of the foundation of the card. I mean, it came together really easily, pretty quickly. It's all very simple shapes, so if you guys want to recreate this or draw the same type of skull in a different type of project, you can see how easily it came together. Along the bottom, I did a little banner at the bottom of the jaw, and I wrote in death because that's the card I'm drawing. And then I'm going to use a Tombow Fudenosuke calligraphy pen to outline my drawing. And I'm doing this because I want the skull to be white and the background to be black, so I find it easiest just to go over my pencil lines with the Fudenosuke brush tip pen, just so that I know where I need to color in with the black and what I need to leave blank. And I do this at the beginning, again, just so I don't get confused and I know exactly where I want to put the ink and where I do not want to put the ink. So I'm just tracing around all of the different elements on this drawing, just to keep things really clear for myself. So you can see the little sun, and then here I'm going around the little stars, and I'll do the moon, and then here in just a moment I'll go around the interior portions of the skull guy so that you can finally kind of see like all the drawing that I did. So I know it's a little bit hard to see with the pencil sketch, but as I continue to outline things in black, you'll really kind of see how it all came together. And now I'm going to start filling in the black background of my image. Again, I'm using the Tombow Fudenosuke because I like the precise tip of it. I find it a lot easier to work with than like the big dual brush pen tip, but I will go back over all of the black ink here with the dual brush pen later. I don't remember if I actually show that or not in this video, but I do go back over it, one, to make things even darker and to kind of hide the brush strokes and just make it a little bit more spooky and fun. I think my favorite part of this whole drawing are the eyes. I really like how the 13 is really well integrated into the composition of this little piece, and I don't know, like the X in the eye just makes it look extra creepy. I don't know, I love it so much though, and those little gravestones are really cute too. I did go back off screen and add some little white gel pen to make the little crosses on top of some of them, which you can see right now, and here you can see what a difference going back over again with the black dual brush pen made. I went over the eye area again with the Fudenosuke, just and the teeth part, because the areas were really small and I did not want to risk like messing up with a big dual brush pen tip. But that is the image. Now I'm going to frame it, and that is about it for today's project. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, even though it was kind of spooky and woo-woo and a little bit alternative, but I think it turned out really great and it'll be fun to decorate with. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!